Welcome back to Living in East County. We're at Delta Coves in Bethel Island at the Pulte Homes. And let me tell you something. Yes, I am swinging on this bench, but I will tell you something else. There are views on top of views on top of views. And we're going to go ahead and explore each and every one of the models as well as the community. Come take a tour with me. But we're on to Model 2. This probably is my favorite model. Model 3, right here, 4-bed, 2.5 baths, just over 1,850 square feet. Let's come take a tour. All right, so now you saw all three models. Each one has their own pluses, and at the end of the day, they all have a lifestyle attached to them. Because like I said, when you move out here to Delta Cove, Pulte Homes, this is not just a community. This is not just a home. This is a lifestyle. See you soon.